Today we're here at 16 Botany Avenue in Redlynch in the Springbrook Estate. This exceptionally well-designed home is suited for a large family, being extra large in size. It's got a large garage, a pool, 4 bedrooms, a media, and it's been freshly painted throughout. Let's go and take a closer look. Being perfectly positioned and located in Redlynch, this home is in walking distance to some of Cairns' best schools, parks and shopping centres. How good is this view and backyard? You're on 700 metres squared of land. There's so much room to play. If you want to know more information, give me a call anytime. I'm Nikolai Bursky from One Stop Property.